Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how Notion can transform your video production workflow. We'll start by looking at how to centralize your project planning, from initial ideas to final delivery. Notion helps organize scripts, assets, and schedules, making collaboration seamless. You can track progress efficiently, ensuring every step of your video project is managed in one powerful workspace. This approach saves time and reduces stress. For pre-production, Notion is invaluable. You can create dedicated databases for each video, detailing every aspect. Develop your script outlines and storyboards directly within Notion pages, linking them to your project. Easily manage shot lists, equipment requirements, and assign tasks to your team. This ensures everyone knows their role and deadlines, setting a strong foundation before filming begins. During production, Notion helps you stay on track. Monitor filming progress and manage daily shoot schedules with ease. Organize all your video assets, from raw footage to graphics, by linking or embedding them directly into your project pages. This keeps every media component accessible and ensures a clear overview. You'll always know where everything is, saving valuable time. Finally, Notion supports your post-production and distribution efforts. Monitor editing progress and review different versions of your video, streamlining feedback with collaborators. Plan your distribution strategies and publishing schedules directly within your workspace. Once complete, archive your projects for easy future reference. This comprehensive approach ensures a smooth wrap-up and organized content library.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.